Just wanted to show the workbench, or one of my workbenches. So this top part is just an Ikea countertop, just from the seconds bin. I think it costs about 80 bucks, can't really remember. It's just a great big thick bit of chipboard with some kind of hard coating. And so I've used large wood bolts kind of things to attach it to bearers. For all of it I've used decking wood, because it's really hard. It's oiled naturally, I think. It's very strong. I've also tried to respect because there's a certain amount of overhang you can have with the bench top. So I think I like furniture, if I make it, that it can be walked on. I just use bolts. So I've bolted through and then epoxied, and then used a router pretty roughly to flatten off the epoxy. I like the bolts with Allen keys in the heads. And I got some lockable castors, so you just have to, at the moment it's pretty easy to move, but quite strong. It's heavy, but it's not as heavy as it would be if I'd used great big chunks of pine, possibly. Like if I'd used pieces of wood, the whole dimensions of that angle, I think it would have been much heavier. It's a bit strange because you had to use that angular bracing, so it wouldn't be easy to have drawers under it or something, I don't think. It's slightly too high, so I may at some point take a little bit off. I think I've got a bit of room there. I'm not sure. It's good to be able to stand up though, but it's fairly flat. That's one of the good things about it too. And pretty cheap to make. Probably cost 200 bucks maybe. That's a rough guess, because I can't really remember. It's probably over strong, but as I said, I like to be able to walk on. I like to be able to stand on top of it without worrying about it breaking or anything. I mean, the good thing is I can just roll it out of here and use it in the other garage if I need to as well. I mean, I can't lift it by myself, that's too heavy for that. Anyway, that's my bench. Thanks for watching.